Hey my pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm excited to share with you. This is a PR box from Profusion, and they sent over some really cute items that actually are like ornaments that you can hang on a tree. Now, from what I know about this collection is it is the Christmas collection that is exclusive only to Walmart, and each one of these items, the packages, are only $3. And they will be online as of today. So I will link these items down below in case you are interested in purchasing any of them. So I want to share with you what they sent me. This is so cute. I love the packaging. It's really pretty. It's like a rose gold or just a gold. This set has mini lips, 3 matte mini lip creams in there, which I am going to open and swatch all of these items for you. You have 3 mini lip toppers, 3 sparkling lip toppers. Isn't that packaging just pretty? You can hang it on a tree. It has the thing at the top. So these are 3 lip toppers. There is also a mini eyes dazzle mascara and sparkling eye topper, and the eye topper in this one is gold. So that's cute. They also sent 2 shadow quads, one in my favorite color, which is purple, but it says mini violets. So like I said, I will open these in just a second. And then they also sent another one called mini emeralds. But I wanted to show you the packaging on these. Really, really pretty. And then the last thing in the box is a no budge eyeshadow primer. Looks like this. I've never used Profusion's eyeshadow primer, and this is in the color nude. So let me get all of these packages open. Okay, so I got them all open, and I think we're going to start with the matte mini lipsticks. Lip cream, that's what I should say. Okay, so the 3 colors is Swoon, Desire, and Ballet. And there they are right there. You have Swoon, Desire in the middle, and Ballet is this one right here. Really pretty colors, and that's with one swatch. They went on nice and thick and creamy and very pigmented. Next, we're going to try the sparkling lip toppers in Yas, like Y-A-S, not Y-E-S, Yas, honey. Finesse and Universal. Okay, and there they are. Now, because they are a topper, they're really sheer, but you can see a little bit of pigment in it. The one in the middle has like a champagne type of a color, and the other 2 have like a purplish or a pink sheer like sparkle to them. Really, really pretty. I like all 3 of them, and honestly, as I was putting them on, they made me think of my MAC lip gloss that I usually use. These are really, really nice. I would actually not put these over my lipstick. I mean, that's just me. I would use these just as a regular gloss because they're really, really, really pretty. The one in the middle, which color was that? Universal. That one kind of reminds me of my Tarte gloss. You guys can't really see it right now, but it reminds me of a Tarte lip gloss that I have. So all 3 of these in a package for $1, and you're gonna get all of these colors. Like I said, they're made. They say they're made to be as a topper over like the matte color. So you could put this on first and then put the topper on, or you can wear them separate. I just think they're really nice. They don't have a fragrance to them or anything, and so yeah, I definitely like these. Okay, so we are going to look at the sparkling eye topper. Now, I'm not gonna swatch the mascara because it's just a black mascara, which I'm happy they sent me this because I needed another small one to go in my purse. So I have that. And then the eye topper, sparkling eye topper, doesn't have the color, like a name or anything, but it's gold and it's really pretty. And it's also sheer, but I can see the gold flakes in it. Really, really, really gold flakes. And it's really pretty. And it went on nice and smooth and creamy. And that's what that looks like right there. Can you see that sparkle? That's really nice. So I bet that would be really nice over an eyeshadow. And yeah, so let's talk about the eyeshadows. Here's the two that they sent. The packaging on these are really cute. Nice little box like that with the black bottom and the clear top. Let's see. Oh, these are pretty. Way more prettier than what they look like in the packaging. Okay, let me show you this one first. This one is the emerald, mini emeralds. Look at that emerald green at the bottom. And then you have the two shimmer colors. Then I believe the other two are matte. So the nude color and the emerald are matte. And these two on this side are like a shimmer color. The emerald green is called Meadow. Radioactive is this peachy kind of color next to it. Russet up here, and Gilded is that gold one at the top up there. This one is the mini violets, and that's what those look like. Aren't those pretty? Look at that. And I think they're the same with this one too, the two mattes and the two shimmers. So you have Pegasus over here, Aubergine, Woe up here, and Lilac. So, and they do put the colors on the back, as you already know because I'm reading them. But let me go ahead and swatch these. Okay, so there are the colors right there, and as you can see, they are really pretty. That is actually one swipe, so they're super pigmented. I am loving the purples. That white kind of color one is like a pearl. I think with the brush and some primer on the eyelid, that will probably go on a lot better, but all four of those colors are really nice. So that is what the purple ones look like. I'm actually really excited to try these out or use them when I feel like putting on some makeup. So yeah, I'm gonna wipe this one off, and then I'll get into the other palette. And how pretty are those? Okay, so the nude one is right here on the end. It's pretty much the same as my skin color, so I probably can use that one as like an eyeshadow base. Which is probably what I might try and do. This one is really pretty. It's like a gold, but look at that emerald green, really dark and pretty. These are one swipe, and then you have this one right here, and I like all of those. So you have the two mattes and the two shimmer. So that is everything in the Profusion Christmas collection that they have just put on the Walmart website. Besides the primer, I'm going to try that when I actually put some makeup on. But I will, let me see, I will open it and tell you if it's, because I like my primers to not be like super watery. I like them to be really thick. Let's see. Oh yeah. It went on really nice and thick. And I just put it on right there, and it's drying down and it feels matte. So I like that. I like that. So all of these products, like I said, each package is $3. If you're not looking for any makeup for yourself, then because they come in such cute packaging, and they have the little thing on the end so you can hang them on a tree. If you have a teenager or a sister or somebody that you just want to get a little bit of makeup for without going over the top, $3, you can hang them on a tree. Super cute, ready to gift. And yeah, and I think they're all pretty. If you don't get anything, or if you want to try something, make sure you try those lip toppers, because I'm actually excited to try those. Once I'm done with my lip gloss today, I'm actually gonna put one on. So that is it for my Profusion package. And like I said, the items will be linked down below. Make sure you check those out in case you want to get anything. And thank you guys for watching. And I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Bye.